For early buyers of XRP Ripple, finding this coin before 2017 was an absolute goldmine. But since then, almost every single year, the returns for XRP has almost been diminishing, which is quite normal with a project of its massive size. $25 billion market cap was nothing to joke around about. And even though you might want to kind of poke around and make jokes about the project not being that fruitful anymore, or XRP itself, it's still got tons of fundamental value and utility. But unfortunately, it just doesn't really deliver those large results anymore. If you're hunting 5, 10, 20, 50x, over long-term periods, I don't really think XRP kind of ticks that box anymore. So we can see here on the month, XRP is actually in quite a strong downtrend, but if we're looking at 2x's, it's still possible. We can see these sort of things happen here in the crypto space for coins like XRP, of course. Now, 2023 was the last time XRP was above $40 billion market cap. Since then, it's been a massive downwards slope, and it's just a downwards sort of spiral and getting kind of worse and worse. So it's definitely in a downtrend. On the month as well, not looking too fruitful. When you start to really sort of zoom out, you can also see the older cycles. So if you got in 2017 early, or if you got in like early 2015, 2016, this is where XRP was very OG. And what made XRP really seem like one of those blue chip tokens that was really up there with Bitcoin at the time was because if you do go back in time and look at the XRP dominance of 2017, but also prior to that, 2016, 2015, what made XRP so special and why everyone remembers XRP and why people usually keep going back to XRP is because it used to have such a large amount of market share. It went up to 20% before it even hit 27%. Now, that's market dominance. That's the total valuation of XRP versus the entire blockchain market valuation. But these days, with all the new tokens that exist, with all the new ecosystems and chains, it's so much harder to obtain that large market share. And that's why every time it does bounce back, even in its more bullish times when XRP dominance increases, the market share or the market dominance for XRP is never actually going back to all-time high levels. So there could be a chance for it to, pop back up to sort of 2% of the market share of blockchain at any given time. But we're not seeing those massive 20% sums anymore. That's because XRP does not hold that valuation anymore. There's too much competition out there. It's no longer just a few hundred or thousand coins that exist. It's millions of coins that exist now, and there are better alternatives out there, at least for many retail investors, I believe. So we have hit what I like to think a bit of a bottom here on the dominance. In 2021, we hit this dominance at 1%, and we're doing it again in 2024. So we're really kind of hitting rock bottom in the dominance. And last time we saw XRP rise in dominance quite a lot after that did happen, which was in 2021 February. And just looking at the price action, which we will in a moment, we can also see the reflections there. So November 2021, the rock bottom dominance took place, and then it actually went down in price, but we're in the same place. What is good about XRP, since the sort of lawsuits and all that, it has been in a very strong ascending sort of channel. So it could still steer towards the upside, but I don't really see, price tags of $5 being realistic for this. SEC announced case over here in April as well, 2021. And since then it was just downwards because of all that political pressure. But it's alleviated now and things are moving slowly but surely, but we're not still seeing those massive movements. You're getting those impulses, you're getting spurts like 50 to 70% pumps to the upside. That's what's kind of occurring here. Now, I do want to say, with XRP having that dominance, if we were to assume that it's going to get to 2% dominance, let's just give it like a realistic, price point or, dominance point. So let's say it will go back to 2% market dominance from 1.27%. Let's also assume that the overall crypto space, which is $2.11 trillion, which we know has not yet done an all-time high, could also then go up to $7 trillion. $7 trillion, which is I think 7,000 billion or something like that, would then be, is that 70 billion? 70 billion, $140 billion market cap for XRP. So that's the speculated target for XRP. If we can see the market cap of cryptocurrency go to $7 trillion, and then XRP has a 2% dominance, which would mean, going to this target here, which is against the resistance on the diagonal slope, then 140 billion market capitalization for XRP could be its peak top. So then I would look at this figure here and I'd say, okay, 25 billion, 6x is possible. So could we see $2 to $3? $2 to $3 is a big question for XRP, considering it's never been there before, and that XRP's previous market capital all-time high, well, actually it was $117 billion. So speaking again of that 2% dominance of 7 trillion overall market capitalization, that's a realistic target, $3 to $4. The only problem is, or the only difference is, that this time around we've seen the XRP supply go from a much lower number to 55.8 billion. And this changes things because this dilutes the token value. If you get more tokens that exist and circulate, the market capital will stay the same. However, the price of the coin will end up dropping because, you just got more coins circulating, less scarcity, and it just dilutes the value of the token. And I think that's the problem here. You're getting that constant battle against dilution, but also you're at 25 billion market capital, even though, it's good, but you're not really getting that 50, 25, 10x sort of factor anymore like you were back in time when XRP had a massive market dominance. So for me at XRP, if you're buying in the bottom of a bear market, which was at 29 cents, to be honest, you're still only up. You're not even 2x up. So there's nothing to really get out of bed for. You've done all that holding since 22. You did the great job of buying here and being greedy when others are fearful, yet you're still reaping no real reward. So that's my kind of problem with XRP. It just doesn't generate enough reward for the risk you take. You can look at so many other coins. I could probably just pick a random coin. I'm just going to pick Solana. Why not? Solana, is this even a good example right now? I don't know. I can't really see a lot of data here. Okay, better, much better. So Solana, if we took the same kind of risk and bought Solana in sort of the bottom of the bear market environment, you're up 10x plus. If you then, let's just pick a random one again. So I'm not trying to throw you off XRP. I'm just saying I think there are better places to put money these days. IOTA, don't really know much about IOTA. Probably going to be a terrible example of a coin. Terrible example. That one there is just destroyed. GRT, let's see what's happened with GRT. GRT, good example. Good example. If you bought GRT at the same time you would have bought XRP's bottom, you'd be up 2x. Not massive, but possibility of 7x that you would have had. Gala Games, again, same story. You'd still be up a little bit. I think overall XRP, we could see a recovery. I don't want to blabber on too much. Guys, if you're looking for trading signals, if you're looking for early alpha calls, become a crypto legend today. If you really want to look at growing your crypto portfolio and have access to many trading signals that can enhance your crypto portfolio, give you key insights to education, help you learn how to trade and navigate the volatile cryptocurrency markets. You can see a lot of people are indeed making some big profits here. We're looking at straight to DEX launches, stealth launches, pre-sales, white listings. We've got spot trades, leverage trades. It's all down below. Check out the Patreon and also join my Discord channel, even just for free. You don't have to pay. Just come in, hang out, and let's see what the markets have to offer over the next few months. XRP, I think overall, it doesn't interest me. It doesn't interest me enough. It's obviously one of the giants, but because it is one of the giants, it's diminishing ROI every single cycle, and it's yet to even get back to a market cap all-time high. And the price, again, the price just looks even more disappointing. And actually, this is a good point on the price. You can see how the market cap is higher, right? But the price is always looking lower versus the market cap movement, and that is the product of token dilution over time. But the market cap sits high, but the price comes lower every single time. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Hope it was insightful. I kind of just want to let people know that yes, XRP is great. The fundamentals are there, utility is there. I just think it's well overhyped, and if anyone can agree with me, happy for you guys that you can agree with me. XRP Army, probably not going to be too happy that I said these sort of things, but this is the way I perceive the coin from now on. I don't see XRP going to $1 trillion. I'm sorry. Maybe not in this particular, what do we call it, century, but who knows what can happen. Crypto can be surprising. See you soon. Subscribe. Bye for now.